Hi, my name's Carl. Welcome to Somewhere in Niagara. I'll be your host for the duration of the video. Today we're out in a snowstorm because that's just the way I roll. Speaking of roll intro.
So my wheels keep turning, yes it's still. I came out swinging and I always will. Still the lady, but no one understands. My mama raised a rambling man.
Interesting time to come out for a drive. Middle of a snowstorm, -10, and it's apparently snowing in the car, which is awesome. Hey. Seems that the worst of the weather is still to come. On the plus side, I'm nice inside the car. Oh yes. There's a photograph right there. Hi, quick word from our sponsor, Carl Green, design guy. As well as doing the photography on an evening and a weekend like this, I also do it for a living, commercial photography. So, I specialise in events, for weddings, conferences, destination locations. Please feel free to give me a call and ask for details. And if you need anything for your trade show, print, brochures, merchandise, whatever you need. I've got a wide experience in that field as well, so I'll be more than happy to pitch in if you have a need. If you don't, that's fine. I'm just going to get the microphone from my digital assistant Andy and then go back to the computer. Bye for now. So we're back in the studio. I chose my favourite image of the day, which was taken a couple of hours later after the snow had stopped, and I'm going to show you the before and after. I won't bore you with the processing. I can do that happily if I think that you're interested, but if you're not, it's going to bore you and you'll click away, and I do not want that. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see how I made this happen. This is the original. That's how it came out the camera, and it's a composite of 3 bracketed photos as before, and it's a good image in its own right, but I thought I could improve on it, so I did. I made some changes, and here we are. This is how it looked right at the camera, and by the time I finished editing it, this is how I thought it looked better to me. Very crispy. We've got some nice crisp branches. I love the texture in those branches. I think it looks amazing. We've got the shadows of the trees, which is really nice. I've done a few variations on this, and it was a while before I came down and decided this was my favourite one. But this is the image of the week. If you want to see it in all its glory, please follow the link in the description, because in the video we can only show you at a certain size. If you want to see all the detail which is here, the link at the description will let you do that, so please follow through. I really appreciate your taking the time. I would like you to share with your friends, like, subscribe. It helps the channel, because if the channel grows, I'll continue being able to do this. And I really thank you again for joining us. For now, that's it. I'm going to say farewell. My name has been Carl. I have been your host for the duration of the video. We'll be back next week. Somewhere in Niagara. Peace.